Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making cozze con salsa marinara, which is mussels in marinara sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need: mussels, marinara sauce, basil and parsley, crushed red pepper, white wine and crostini. And now I'm going to add the sauce and kind of like just toss them around a bit. Put the cover on them, and they should be ready in the next 8 to 10 minutes. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.